Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make bagel dough. First, combine 500 grams of high-protein bread flour with 10 grams of salt and 5 grams of instant yeast in a large bowl. Gradually add 300 milliliters of warm water, around 105 degrees Fahrenheit, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. This initial step is crucial for developing gluten. Now, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 10 to 12 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic texture that springs back when poked. Once kneaded, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot. It should double in size, typically taking 60 to 90 minutes, depending on your room temperature. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 90 grams. Roll each piece into a tight ball, then use your thumb to poke a hole through the center, stretching it slightly to form the classic bagel shape. Place these shaped bagels on a piece of parchment paper and let them proof for another 20 minutes. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large pot of water to a simmer, adding a tablespoon of malt syrup for that authentic bagel chew. Boil each bagel for 30 seconds per side, then transfer them to a baking sheet. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade bagels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.